Hi there, I'm Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, and before we get started, go to the settings and select your subtitles. Now we can get to the vocabulary from lesson 1. Good, happy, here, there, nice, student, teacher, and, cold, meeting, car, table, apple, sad, when, what, why, who, where, today, tomorrow, because, in, orange. Personal pronouns and the verb to be. The personal pronouns are I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. Then we would like to add the verb to be. And then we are able to create a sentence. I am. I am Eva. You are. You are a student. She is. She is Wendy. He is Joey. It is a car. We are happy. You are students. They are teachers. Then if you want to create a question, just swap the words. I am I, you are you, she is she, he is he, it is it, we are we, you are you, they are they? So this is how you create a question here. And then we have the negative. You just simply add the word not. I am not Eva. You are not a student. She is not Wendy. He is not Joey. It is not a car. We are not happy. You are not students. They are not teachers. Today we're going to talk about plural and about articles. Plural means more than one. On the other hand, singular means one. And plural is created by adding the ending s to the noun. One sister, two sisters. One dog, two dogs. Sometimes the word ends with s, z, or j, or sh, or something like that, and you cannot pronounce it correctly. That's why you add is or is. One bus, two buses. One house, two houses. And then we also have irregular plural. One child, two children. One woman, two women. As for the articles, we have definite and indefinite article. Indefinite article is only in singular with countable nouns. We use it when we talk about something for the first time or it is unknown to the listener. I have a sister. I am a teacher. When we cannot pronounce it before the pronounced vowel, then we say an. I have an apple. I have an old house. The definite article is used when we talk about something known to the listener, or we are talking about something for the second time. It means something like this or that, and it is the or before the pronounced vowel the. The doctor is very good. I like the house. Means something like I like that house or this house. Before the pronounced vowel we say the, so this is the end. So now you have learned all the words, you have learned all the grammar, and we can practice it in our conversation. Every time I ask you a question, just click on the spacebar and take your time to answer. Later on, when we train writing or translation, please turn off the subtitles. So let's get started. Where are you? Why are you happy? What is it? Who is she? Is it a car? Is Eva happy? When is the meeting? Are you a teacher? Is it cold? What is in the table? And now write down a few sentences. Turn off the subtitles, please. Peter and John are here. Why is Sandra there? She is not in the car. The table is good. They are teachers. And now translate. She is a good student. Where is the table? Why is the apple here? They are sad. Peter and John are teachers. What is in the car? The meeting is tomorrow. You are nice. And now you create a question from the following words. Apple. Cold. Who? Where? Car. So that's it for today. See you soon.